Hi investors and traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to talk about a stock which is about 950 or 1000 rupees cost, but the EPS in 1 year, EPS given by the company is about 250 rupees. ROC is about 57% and ROE is about 50.5%. If we talk about the CAGR for the past 5 years, the growth rate has been 64.4%. Company's fundamentals are looking very promising. There are some drawbacks. We're going to discuss everything. So जो लोग हिंदी में समझना चाहते हैं इस कंपनी की ROCE बहुत बढ़िया है, ROE बहुत बढ़िया है, CAGR 64.4% है। और तो और ये स्टॉक कुछ 1000 रुपीस के आसपास है और उस 1000 रुपीस पे भी इन्होंने करीब 250 रुपए का EPS जनरेट किया है। अभी जो ट्रेलिंग EPS है for this last 12 months, it's about 125 rupees. Very good fundamentals. Technically also looks sound, as I've already told that I only like to take a stock when fundamentals as well as the technicals look good together. The company is basically in the space of manganese and iron ore limited, and it's a south-based company. Most of the revenue comes from manganese ore, ferrous alloys, and from coke. So these are their main revenue sources. Now let's talk about company's fundamentals. And if I show you here, company has reduced debt. Company is expected to give good quarters. Company has delivered good profit growth of 64.4 CAGR over last 5 years, and company has good return on equity, almost like 32%, and company's median sales growth has been 15.5% in last 10 years. Now the competitors are basically Coal India, Vedanta, NMDC, KIOL, CL, NMDC, GMDC, etc. Let's come down to their sales year-on-year basis. If you look into it, quarter-on-quarter basis, if you look into the results, 2019 they had a sale of 138 crores, and December 2022 they had a sale of 388. Almost like 3 times the sales have become 3 times in 3 years. Operating profit margins, which were really good, has gone down in June 22 and September 22, and then December there has been some recovery. If we talk about the profit before the taxes, there has been a slight decline in the last 3 quarters. And if we talk about the EPS has been almost very decent in last 2 years. Then comes the question of sale year-on-year basis. In the March 2011, the sale was 350 crores, and March of 2020, the sales have almost gone about 7 to 8 times. That means 350 to 2250 crores. And if we look at the operating profit margins after declining, there has been some stability. If I look into the profit before the taxes, if you just see in March 2022, they had massive profits, and even trailing 12 months also are giving good profits of about 337 crores. If I look at the taxes, they have been stable. In fact, the taxes have gone down a little bit. If you look at the EPS, in March 2022, they have given 250 rupees as EPS. And even till today, if I look into the trailing 12 months, it's 123 EPS. Stock price is about 1000 and the EPS is about 123. Isn't it a very something that we will be really interested in? Reserves have been growing continuously. Have a look at the reserves. 2011 it was 292 crores, and September 2022 it is 1692 crores. Almost like 5.5-6 times increment in the reserves. And if I look into the borrowings, that's about 281, just negligible amount. If I look at to the cash from operating activity, so every year, if you just notice from the March 2020 they had negative cash from the operating activity, then March 21 340 crores, and March 22 872 crores. The huge cash is being generated from the operating activity. If I look at the debtor days, they are pretty much constant. In 2011 it was 31, even today it's about 33. If I look into the promoters holding, that's almost constant. In fact, they have slowly gradually increased their holding. FIs have reduced something, and DIs are almost constant, and even the public is costed. Now let's go to the chart and have a look at it. This is Sandur or Sandoma. Sandur Manganese and Iron Ores Limited. That's the company, and the chart pattern is right in front of you. If you see, the stock has made a very strong base. It is almost like a, what do you say, a very nice curve which is being formed at the bottom. Above 1030, if it goes, we are expecting at least 20% movement in the stock. At least 20% move can be expected in the stock. If it goes above 1025, we can expect 1233. Above that, we can look for 1342, 30% profit, and then it can even go till about 1700, which is almost like 70% profit. The stock currently is available at a 40% discount. It made a high of 1700 uh, in October, in April 2022. After that, the stock has been in decline. But uh, what I understand, if it crosses 1030 and 1233 and 1350, the stock is going to give you not less than 70% to 70 to 80% return. The structure looks very good. It looks very promising, and going above 1027 is going to be a very good entry. We can accumulate more if it goes down to 860, or if it goes down till 700, we can really add some good quantity. So as I again and again say, when you select a good stock, you need to do the trade management, money management, and risk management. Distribute your capital. Don't put all the eggs in the same basket. It's not that if I tell you a stock, you just sell your house, leave your job and put every single penny that you have in this particular stock. No, put some money right now. If it goes down, put some more money, and then when it bounces back, you can really uh, reap the benefit. I have been getting a lot of queries about Aries Agro. It has given 20% return or 10% return, and after that only it has gone down. If it has gone down, you could have either exited with the same amount of loss, 10% profit, 10% loss. If not, then you can average it at the lower price. That's something I can tell you. So for this moment, the stock that I'm going to talk about is Sandoma, which is Sandor Manganese and Iron Ore Limited. The company has very good ROCE, ROE, and CAGR. I'll quickly show you the website. This is the website of the stock, and if you have you can have a look at various kind of products that they have. So they are into manganese ore mining, ferrous alloys, coke and energy. These are their three verticals. They are also into hospitality, iron ore mining. These are their different other ventures, and so they have some upcoming projects as well. Basically, they are into iron ore, manganese ore mining, and they are into coke and energy, right? They are into coke and energy. So these are their three verticals that they are working upon. They are also entering into hospitality. So as of now, the stock looks good. EPS is very good. Imagine अगर आपके पास 900 रुपए का एक स्टॉक है और वो आपको EPS ही 250 रुपए का देता है, तो it's a magnificent value addition to your investment, right? So you can decide your trade plan, right? You are responsible for your entry and exit. I'm suggesting you, or I'm just doing the analysis. How do you want to trade? When you want to trade, whether you want to take it right now or you want to wait some time, that is what you can decide. And this is the stock that I wanted to present. And with this, I'll be signing off, and all the best. You may accumulate some wealth when you remain invested for a longer period of time. This is a BSE stock. It's not an NSE stock. You can check its fundamentals on Money Control or on screener.in and take your own decision. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.